You ready? Okay. Okay. Have you ever wondered who the backbone of every song is? The person that made the song possible in the first place? If you're thinking about a music producer, then you're absolutely right. The music artist usually relies on the music producer to make him a hit. Today I'm just going to teach you how to make a basic hip-hop beat. You can start off the beat however you'd like. You can start with the drum patterns, the melodies. I personally like starting off with the melodies. You can build your own melody on your software, or you can just find a sample online. A sample is just reusing another sound, like from another song, and reusing it as one of your own beats. So I found a sample online. This is how it sounds. Well, that's my first step. Second thing I do, I start off with the hi-hats. The hi-hats are just a percussion instrument to keep the flow of the beat going. So this is how the hi-hats sound. Just a basic 1-2, two-step hi-hats. Second thing I do from that, I move on to the snare, and these little bars right here. Every single one, it's just called a bar. I always place a bar in the ninth, in every ninth bar. And this is how the snare sounds. After that, I go over to the kick. It's just like kind of like the bass, like the thump that you hear in every song. It's just a basic pattern. Then after that, we move on to the 808. 808 is just like the bass line. I usually make the 808 pattern follow the same line as the melody to make it sound in tune. Because if it doesn't follow the melody, then the whole beat's just gonna sound off. And this is how the bass sounds. I don't know if you can hear it on the video. It may sound kind of muffled. But yeah, this is how they sound together with all the drum patterns. Alright, well yeah, that pretty much completes the beat. This is how it sounds all together. Well, yeah, that pretty much sums up the whole beat. Well, just music production is like something that is often overlooked by people, and a lot of people also fail to give the music producers any credit. So next time you're listening to your favorite song, be sure to thank your producer. Well, that's a wrap. Check out my beats on YouTube at Chewy Beats. Thank you for watching. Hey, was that good?